What's up, tribe? This is a quick drop. This is going to be your weekly Queen Supreme Court review. So this week we had was it Nikki Nicole, and again, somebody I'm not very familiar with, but she's real cute. She had a cute little outfit, had the cleavage and this nice chain going down, and Maddie wasn't giving us a whole lot of boobage this week, you know. She wasn't. She had on a little black number, had some sequins and things going on. And so here's the thing. I don't have a whole lot of critique for the co-host this week. I got some critiques for Maddie. Now, Maddie, you know I love you, boo. Loves me some Maddie. But I have to be honest and fair. Last week I had to be honest and fair with somebody that I cared about, a YouTuber that I cared about. So I got to be honest and fair with you this week, Miss Maddie. Your bias overshadowed the show this week. We all have biases. I have biases when I do my reviews. I have biases when I watch my TV shows. We all have those biases. Here's the problem though, Maddie. Your bias overshadowed the show. You spent 30 minutes of the show talking about the Cardi B Nicki Minaj. And when your co-host didn't agree with you or didn't agree with your point of view on it, it was almost like you were trying to browbeat her into feeling the way you wanted her to feel, or feeling bad about her opinion. Like, she liked Cardi. She was trying to find some common ground. With the Cardi Nicki thing. I don't feel like she was trying to give Cardi a pass. I just don't feel like she felt that Cardi was as out of pocket as you did. We know you have a relationship with Nicki Minaj, and you should ride for your friends. You should always be there and be a ride or die for your friends. But excuse me, if I said this before, if you're going to put her on the docket, you got to be fair. And here's the thing about Nicki Minaj. I already did a video about this, so I'm not going to rehash it. Cardi was out of pocket. Cardi was wrong. But enough is enough. And I'm not going to even go along with the whole she talked about her daughter thing. I ain't even talking about that. I think this is something where the two of them, the tempers have been flaring for a long time. And I feel like Nicki has a heart. I'm not going to rehash everything I already said. But what I am going to say is, you feel the way you feel. And I think part of the reason you feel that way is because of your personal relationship with Nicki Minaj. And that's fine. But you took 30 minutes of your show to basically ride for your friend. And I just felt like, that's a damn fly in here. I just felt like that was a bit much. And for me, I didn't enjoy, after like the first 10 minutes, I was like, I fast forward through it. I fast forward through a lot of it because I was like, why are we still talking about it? And you still was trying to get that woman to agree with you. Same thing with the Whitney Houston piece. We know you ride for Whitney. You love Whitney. But do I think some of the things in the movie, and I've done a review on that too, but I also feel like you can't make it seem like Whitney was some angel and Bobby was the devil, and that was his story. That was his version of the story. Now we know that the truth, three versions of the truth, mine, yours, in the middle, right? So for years we've heard Whitney's side. Here was Bobby's opportunity, and I don't think he was lying about a lot of it. I really don't. And so you know I'm going to be there next week, boo. You know I'm going to tune in next week, boo. But I just think that your bias just kind of overshadowed your show this week. That's my opinion. Your co-host was cute, and I think she was trying to be fair. I think she was trying to give the other side of what was going on and be a little fair about it and not be as biased. And it came off as her being too nice, but I think it's because she was trying to not be so biased. So, I don't know. I love you. I'm excited to see who we're going to have next week. But this week, you know you did. You know you was. You know it. Love y'all, though. Y'all let me know what y'all think in them comments. Peace.